You jackass!
To the side or something, dude.
Skateboards are not skis. Go.
I am the king of pranks.
1, 2, 3, quit! Go. He's alive! Oh, yes! We have a slide. We also have a man on a door. Let's go. Fucking flat ass.
Ow, my head!
Man, Dad!
Oh, fuck! Why were you doing that?
Whee!
Are you okay, buddy? Well, no shit, you're gonna get hurt.
Whee!